Yeah. All right. Ah, that's hot. All right, fam. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the brand new DCD778 E1 from DEWALT. It is the brand new DEWALT made in Mexico Powerstack hammer drill set. So let's cut this bad boy open and we'll jump right into it. It comes with a very nice bag, pretty durable. It's the same DEWALT bag that usually comes with all their kits. It's basically a craftsman bag with a pocket. Let's go ahead and open up the bag. We got some stuff that we never read. We got the hammer drill, DCD778. Pretty nice. And what we're all really here to see, the brand new Powerstack. Model number DCB-P034. 1.7 amp hours. Also included in the bag is a very small rinky-dinky DCB-107. These things pretty much come with every single DEWALT kit these days. Unless you're getting a higher end kit, you get a nicer charger. So just throw it in the pile of plastic and we'll get back to it if we need it. That's it for the unboxing portion. Let's charge this bad boy up and see how it compares to the rest of the hammer drills. The two hammer drills that we'll be pitting it up against today are the cream of the crop, in my opinion, as far as compact hammer drills go. The DCD796. Pretty good for a compact hammer drill, in my opinion. Tons of power, brushless, and of course hammer. We've also got the older version of the atomic hammer drill, the DCD709. Hammer function as well. So we're going to do some small tests with these drills. We're going to drive some small fasteners, some small auger bits. You know, nothing huge, just a few tests. At the end, we'll see who wins. And we'll see whether or not this is worth picking up, whether it belongs in your toolbox. Right off the bat, the DCD796 is going to be the only one of these drills with a full metal chuck. You guys can see the knurling on here. It's a very nice chuck. Complete metal construction in their gear housing. Rubber overmold here on the gear selector. The DCD778 is a lot like the Atomic. They both feature plastic chucks. They're both 1/2 inch, but the Atomic is considerably shorter. The DCD709, complete plastic chuck here. The DCD796 is going to feature the most power out of all 3 of these drills. I believe, just going by the stats, the DCD796 has 34,000 blows per minute, while the 778 has 29,750 blows per minute, and the DCD709 has 28,050 blows per minute. The DCD778 features a light right above the trigger. It does turn on after you engage the drill. It stays on for a few seconds after. There is no light selector on this drill. The DCD796 features a light and a light selector switch. The 709 does not have a light selector, but it does come from the base of the drill as well. This is as bright as it goes. And the DCD796 so let's drop in a pocket screw. All these tests I will be in 2nd gear on drill mode unless they fail to achieve the task at hand. Then I will shift down to 1st gear. Not bad. Let's pull it out. Okay, the chuck feels kind of cheap. I did feel it spin freely at some point, but it's holding at this point. Let's check the wobble and see if there's any. Doesn't seem like there's a lot of play here. Drop in the first pocket screw and we'll see how it does. That felt kind of slow. And again, these are fully charged DEWALT 2.0 batteries. These are the closest thing to the brand new 1.7 amp hour Powerstack batteries. And here is our brand new fully charged Powerstack battery. One feature that I like about these batteries that are coming to the rest of the DEWALT batteries is that the indicator stays on. Let's see if there's any wobble. Chuck feels a little sturdier than the Atomic, but it is quite girthier. That is very on point. Let's go ahead and drive one. Let's pull it out. Not bad. Not bad at all. We'll be doing a 6-inch headlock fastener, and then we'll finish off with some 8-inch timber locks. All the way in 2nd gear. Let's pull it out. .796 next. All right, there's good. All the way in 2nd gear. Let's pull it out. And finally, the 709 last. Let's go in right in the middle. Felt like it struggled a little there. Now let's switch over. We'll do the 8-inch timber lock now. We'll go ahead and start off with the 709. Ooh, it barely got that one in. Let's pull it out. Alright, let's check the battery. 2 out of 3 bars. Not terrible. 796 next. Power to spare on this bad boy. It felt like the atomic was barely going to make it in there. All 3 bars left on the 796. Finally, the 778 will drop in our final 8-inch fastener. Wow, that almost flew right out of my hand. Let's pull it out. All 3 bars. Not bad. It seems like the atomic is definitely on the loser end here. Ooh, baby, look at the girth on this bad boy. That's a big boy right there. Let's go ahead and chuck it up in the atomic first. Then we'll do the 796 and the brand new 778 last. Make sure I have that in properly. Is it going to blow through? No, it won't. Alright, we'll go here. Speed 2. Okay, I think that's all we can get in speed 2. Let's go down to 1. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Let's try that again. Whoa! Alright, and that's done. There we go. Looks like the atomic still has some juice in it. Let's check the indicator. 1 bar. Getting a little worried here. I will keep my hand on the battery for this one. Okay, that's as far as we got in speed 2. Let's go down to speed 1 and see if this can finish the challenge. went through pretty easily, pretty quickly. Didn't break my wrist. I think we're going to need another piece of wood here. I'll be right back with another piece of lumber. Okay, we've got a fresh-ish piece of lumber. Let's see how she does. Again, fully charged. I forgot to check this 796, so let's do that real quick. 2 bars on the 796. Let's try and line this up, because I actually blew through with the atomic out the bottom, and it still took that long. It's ridiculous. Anyways, let's get in there. Okay, one more pull. And that's as far as we got on speed 2. Let's go ahead and go down to speed 1 and finish this all the way through. Ah, my ears. Let me take a second here. All right, start that timer. And time. Let's pull it out. And there you have it. This is the part where I edit in the results. And there's your winner. Chicken dinner. From preliminary testing, I can tell you that it is no replacement for the 796. This thing remains one beastly, hefty gentleman. In fact, I'm willing to bet that if you place the Powerstack in the 796, it is going to give it a very, very good power boost, comparable to 21700 cells. Do you need the 778? If you have one of these 2 other hammer drills, probably not. But if you want a Powerstack battery, this is currently one of the cheapest ways to get one.